vlogging. It is January 1st, so it's the first day of the new year, and I'm trying out my phone. So I just wanted to see how it would do on the mount, but also check the audio. I hope I make it to work on time, but frankly, it's whatever. My curls from last night held up so well after sleeping on them. So you guys will see a video today of my favorite things in 2019 if I can get it fully edited. So I'm taking my laptop to work. I also have a bag full of candy and like other sweets that I'm gonna just let everybody at work have, because today is a new year, which means it's a fresh start. So today, I'm not gonna start keto today. What I'm actually doing is I'm having some coffee. It is sugar-free with everything that I put in it. And then I'm going to fast for the rest of the day and then have some detox tea later on tonight. I don't know, for me, I feel like that works really well. I still use the teeny colon tea. That's the one that I like a lot. I know I don't post about it a lot anymore. Frankly, I like the products, but they hounded me so much about, did you post? Can you post? Did you do this? Did you do this? That honestly, it didn't feel genuine. I obviously don't mind posting about brands that I love, but it's not genuine for me to post about it twice a week. Like, that's just too much. So if you want to know the 100% tea on the tea meat, yeah, they went overboard. I weighed myself this morning and I was only 13 pounds lower than when I first started keto. And at the height of my loss, I was at 25 pounds down. So that shows you, like, that's a 12-pound swing of, I mean, you would say I gained that back, but I know that a lot of it's water weight. I don't know how much, but I think it's a pretty good portion for me. So we'll see, you know, once I first get into keto, how much that was. I know this is going to get really loud now because I'm on the highway, so I'm going to end this little clip and go about my work day, and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's Friday night. I have whitening trays in. I have on a face mask. I'm really living it up tonight. But it is about 11:30 and I'm getting set up for filming tomorrow. So I washed some makeup brushes. I'm filming two different things tomorrow. First off, you can now get Carity at CVS. So I'm going to be posting about that. I've got some palettes, some matte liquid lips, and some lip glosses. And then I'm also going to film the Dream Radiant Liquid from Maybelline. So I'm getting everything set up there. I'm going to try using my boards again because my lighting in my recent videos has been so annoying and such a struggle. This shit is a complete mess again. Let's just try to ignore it. I don't even remember what I came in here for, but I'm still rocking the Christmas tree. Can't seem to let go of that. So I'm turning everything off. Should be going to bed so that I can get up early. Instead of going to bed, I'm going to use a bath bomb. I'm just going to grab my Butterball. These are a little smaller, and when I know I'm not going to take a super long bath, I like to grab these. They're also a little bit more affordable than some of the others. You can see remnants of my last bath bomb from a few days ago. So anyway, I'm gonna take a bath, and while I'm thinking about it, if you guys haven't seen, I have put up my yearly favorites and the worst makeup of the year. So the best and the worst, the favorites, the hate-its, however you want to think of that. I have a horrible list with these whitening trays in. I'm using Smile Brilliant. I've had these trays for a while and I just keep reusing them. I have lots of the like feel for the whitening because I don't do it that often, but I do need to do it like a few times in a row right now because my teeth are not looking that white. So anyway, I'm gonna watch some videos and chill. I do work for the next 6 days straight, but I wanted to tell you guys quickly while this is dissolving that on January 1st, I was doing so good. I went to work, I fasted all day, I got home at around 6 p.m. and I was so depressed and like in this weird mood. I started crying and I was like, you know what, I'm not ready to start this yet. So I actually ate a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and that was a couple days ago. Today's the 3rd, and about to be the 4th. So tomorrow I'm gonna start anew. I was just in like a funky mood, and I kind of feel like too, like just because it's January 1st does not mean that you're a whole different person and you know you're completely changed. So I'm just gonna start anew tomorrow. So it's Saturday the 4th tomorrow, and I'm going to fast for tomorrow. I just like doing that. I feel it works for my body for whatever reason, and then I'm going to start back on keto. So we also had like a lot of food left in the house, and I hated for that to just go to waste. So by eating regular food for a few more days, we were able to not waste all that food. It just seemed like a better time, and I need to go get groceries. So that's what's up. Starting new tomorrow. I will vlog a little bit and likely go ahead and put my vlog up on Sunday again. I think I like Sunday for vlogs. Let me know what you think. I know I was doing Monday, but a lot of you guys said like just put the vlog up when it's a good vlog, and I kind of feel like I like that idea. Sometimes I want to put a different video up on Monday, and you know, with my work schedule it's really difficult to have like a specific upload schedule anyway, because you know every day is different. So that's what it is for now. So I'm gonna take this. One of the cats just threw open my closet. Alright, I'm gonna go clean that up, take a bath, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys! Alright, I'm driving, so I'm going to work. I am taking a different route because apparently it was backed up the other way. And yeah, it's a long work day, but I just filmed 2 videos successfully. But you ever have those days where you do your makeup and you think, oh, this is looking good, and then you go to like take a picture of it, and then just doesn't turn out, like nothing's working. I feel like that's me today, but I didn't have on like a cute shirt when I tried to take the picture. I was just like, whatever. So at any rate, I'm trying to take a good picture. I'm gonna be posting and hashtagging for the benefit brow search. I've done that the past couple of years. Like I know a ton of people are doing it, but they pick 20 people to go to like this camp and like, I don't know, I guess do challenges and stuff. But it would be super fun. Even just to be able to go would be really fun. And then one person wins, I think like $50,000 or something, and like a benefit campaign, which I mean obviously would be amazing. But even just to be able to go and like do that stuff would be super fun. I'm gonna do it. Why not? If you guys want to do it, you can go to their Instagram and they have everything, like all the rules and stuff. You have to hashtag certain things and yeah, post your brows. They have 4 different brows. This is like my natural brow. They have like a, is it structured or contoured? I can't remember. A feathery one, and then like a straight brow. I'm not good at doing a straight brow, but I'll do the feathery one and the other one. I'll try all 4, but I'm not very good at doing a straight brow. At any rate, that's what's going on. I just got a package from Ulta in the mail, but obviously I'm on my way to work, so I wasn't able to look at that. I just ordered a few things from the new CoverGirl line. I didn't know if I was going to get it in PR, and I didn't really want to wait for it just in case, so I picked up the new foundation. And I keep buying foundations that are too light, so hopefully this one isn't too light, but I don't know, I keep doing that. What's going on? So today, as I told you guys last night, and I was in a weird mood last night. I don't know why I started randomly vlogging at like 11 something, but today I am fasting. So I'm drinking, well, I say fasting, I'm more on a liquid diet. I had some coffee this morning. I'm such an idiot. I had my tea made and I left it. Yay. But anyway, I'm getting into some traffic. It's like a busy day on the highway, so I'm gonna let you guys go for now and focus on the drive to work. And I'll probably vlog, since I'm fasting and I'm not gonna be eating lunch, I might go look and just see if I see any like random gems at Victoria's Secret or Bath and Body Works. Not a lot, mainly just looking for like really, really good deals. There's one pair of underwear with the snowflakes on the butt that I actually really, really liked. So I might see if I can find that same style, maybe marked down. So we'll see. But I'll probably vlog that during my lunch break, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so you saw me vlog a little bit. I didn't do a good job because it was Saturday and it was busy, but I got a few things at Victoria's Secret. The Bath and Body Works though was so empty and picked over. Like, I guess they just didn't replenish it throughout the day. Maybe their plan was just to wait and replenish for tomorrow. There was nothing. So I will be checking back and seeing what they have. Now that I have some items, I got 5 pair of underwear and I got 2 more pair of those little sleep shorts. They're super cute. So at any rate, I'm driving home now. I got to do a little foundation check-in when I get home. I'm kind of undecided about how I feel about this foundation, but you guys will see. But I'm like on the fence, riding that fence hella hard. So anyway, I will let you guys go for now. I think I have to go to Walmart tonight. Ugh, hate that. And I'll talk to you guys. So this is my keto lunch. Today is Sunday and I'm gonna upload this vlog soon. I'm actually gonna edit on my lunch break. So I've got Colby Jack. This is rotisserie chicken, like a deli meat. It's actually really yum. And I got black olives. I've already eaten some because I was starving. So that's what I threw together. Like, we're not really prepared with groceries right now. We just got a few things, so I got that. And Slim Fast makes keto shakes, so that's what I've got in my, this is a G Fuel tumbler. So that's what I'm having. I may not drink all of this because it's got a lot of MCT in it. So now it's time for me to edit. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog and I will see you next time. Bye!